it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The wig in today's video is from a company called MegaLook, and in today's video I will be doing a unboxing for you guys, and I will also be styling this wig for one of my clients. Now in the box you do get an instructions on how to follow them on their social media. You also get a coupon code, instructions on how to care for the hair, and a pair of lashes. Along with the wig, they also send you a pouch filled with goodies, and in there was a wig cap, a headband, a edge brush for your edges, and some clips you can use when styling your hair. Now the wig in today's video is a 22-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig in the color 1B30, and it is in the texture deep wave. Now this hair is an ombre colored hair, and this color is absolutely gorgeous and it's very vibrant, and I really love that this wig comes with an elastic band already attached. It also comes with 4 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the top and 1 on the back, and it also has an adjustable strap so that you guys can properly secure this wig onto your head. Now in today's video I will be styling this wig for my client. She wanted me to style this wig in a half up half down style just to make it easier for her to apply it. I also am going to do some baby hairs in the front. Now this wig does come pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to do much plucking to this wig at all in the front. So this wig is pretty much ready to go when you receive it. I do want to also mention that this wig is a Swiss lace wig, so the lace will blend seamlessly into the skin when you are applying it onto your head. And as you guys can see, that hairline looks pretty much plucked. If you guys do want to you guys can go in and bleach the knots if you really want to, but you do not have to. You can just apply makeup to the lace. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is drench the entire front area of the wig, because I want to go ahead and separate my baby hairs in the front just so I can keep that away from the hair that I am going to be using when I do the half up half down style. Now because the front is already pre-plucked already, you want to make sure that when you are creating your baby hairs, you are taking very little amounts of hair in the front. Unless you are somebody that like thicker baby hairs, then you can take a little bit more hair, but I'm only taking a very little bit of the hair from the front section of the wig. Now once I went ahead and determined how much hair I wanted to leave out for the baby hairs, I am going to go in with my scissors and I am going to go ahead and cut the baby hairs down to the length that I want them to be. And I'm going to make the baby hairs the same length all the way around the front section of the wig. This is what the baby hairs is looking like after I went ahead and cut them. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin parting the hair in half so that I can begin prepping the front section for the half up half down hairstyle that I will be doing on this wig. Now all that I'm going to do is go ahead and part the front section of the wig from air tab to air tab, and I'm just going to try my best to create the best straight line that I could create. If the line isn't perfect, it is fine because the hair will fall over and cover it anyways, but you want to try your best to get that line as straight as possible. Now, once you get that line nice and straight and looking exactly how you want it, you want to go ahead and pin up the back section so that it doesn't get in the way of you styling the front. Now, once I went ahead and did that, I am going in with my spray bottle with just water, and I am drenching the roots of the wig to make sure that they are extremely wet, and this will just help with styling and laying the wig a lot easier in the front. Now, I'm not focusing the water on the ends of the hair. I'm just mainly focusing the water on the roots, just so that I can get the roots of the hair to lay nice and flat and as flat as possible. I did go ahead and part the top section into two to make sure I can get those roots wet all up through the top section of the hair as well, and this is just to make it easier to get the hair looking nice and slick and smooth on both sides. So you can work all at once with one section, but I just found it easier for me to work one section at a time and then put the two sections together to create a ponytail. So as you guys can see now, I am going ahead and spraying the next side with water, making sure to drench the hair in water. It is okay if the wig is wet. Once you get that ponytail nice and slick, you can go ahead and use your diffuser to dry the hair, or you can just let it sit and air dry overnight. Now that I have the wig nice and wet and drenched in the front, I am going to go in with my fine tooth comb, and I'm just going to use this to smooth out the hair and get it as smooth as possible on both sides. Now, once I got it as smooth as I want it to be, I am going to go in with my alcohol-free mousse, and you can use any type of alcohol-free mousse. I just chose this one, and I'm just going to use that to further slick down the ponytail in the front. And I am continuing to work one section at a time, smoothing it out, using my fine tooth comb to get everything nice and flat. I am going in with my small edge brush also to help smoothen out this side as well. Now that I've gotten one side nice and smooth, I am going to go ahead and pin it back nice and tight, just so I can go ahead and begin smoothing out the next side of the wig. And once I went ahead and smoothed out the next side of the wig, then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig, well, the front section of the wig, up into a ponytail. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing that I did on the other side. I'm going to spray some water to make sure the roots are nice and wet. Then I'm going to go in with my fine tooth comb just to further smooth those hairs into place. Then I'm going to go in with the alcohol-free mousse to help further slick down the front section of the wig. And like I said before, you can use any type of alcohol-free mousse. And the reason why I am using alcohol-free mousse is because it doesn't give you that stiff hold. It still gives you a good enough amount of hold to where the ponytail will be nice and sleek, but it's not going to make the hair very hard. Now that I got the ponytail all nice and slicked and smoothed up really nicely, I am going to go and apply a ponytail holder to the top section of the wig. And as you guys can see, this ponytail is looking super nice and sleek at the top section of this wig. I did go ahead and wrap the ponytail holder around the ponytail a few times just to make it nice and tight, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin smoothing out the rest of the ponytail and laying the baby hairs. to lay the baby hairs, I am going in with a generous amount of that same alcohol-free mousse, and I am drenching the baby hairs in the mousse, and I am going to go in with the edge brush that came along with the wig and use it to smooth out the baby hairs. I did go ahead and add some water to it as well because I want the baby hairs to be as wet as possible when I am working with them, because it just makes it that much easier to lay them in the front section of the wig. Now, I did go ahead and make the baby hairs a lot longer than I usually would because my client likes her baby hairs that way, and these baby hairs aren't going to be super hard baby hairs. They're going to be very soft baby hairs, so when she combs it out, they're going to look nice and fluffy in the front. So that's how she likes her baby hairs. Everybody does their baby hairs very differently, so keep that in mind. You guys do not have to follow along exactly how I do my baby hairs. You can do your baby hairs however you would like. I do want you guys to also keep in mind that I am styling this wig on a mannequin head, so how it fits on the mannequin head will fit slightly differently when you apply it to your actual head. So me styling the wig on the mannequin is just a jump start for her to be able to style her wig on her head. She's not really as hair savvy as I am, but this will definitely jumpstart her styling process once she receives the wig. Now that my baby hairs are complete, I'm gonna go ahead and wet this hair down so that you guys can see what the waves and the curls are looking like. I did go ahead and show you guys this cute hairstyle of a top knot bun with the back down. That's cute as well. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me wrapping a little bit of the hair around the base of the ponytail just to camouflage it. Of course, when you guys are styling your own wigs, you want to style it a little bit better than what I did, but like I said before, me doing this is just a jump start for her to be able to style her wig once she receives it in the mail. Do want to mention that for this to be a colored wig, the hair still looks pretty healthy. Like a lot of the times when you receive a colored wig, the hair looks really brittle and it doesn't look like it would sustain a really long wear, but this wig actually looks really nice. The color actually looks really beautiful. It's super vibrant. The curls and the waves definitely pops, and it gives you that oomph, that gorgeousness that curls really do give. Now I am going ahead and wetting the hair and brushing through it so that you guys can see what it looks like. And this wig is absolutely gorgeous. MegaLook did a really great job when designing and coloring this wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my slow-mo so that you guys can get into the texture, the color, and the movement of this wig. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!